Good, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Patriot. So, I want to share with you how ridiculously bad and immoral parliament members and cabinet ministers are in South Africa. So, when I saw this article, it really hit home extremely hard how dysfunctional and how bad this democracy in South Africa is. I stumbled upon this post from the Democratic Alliance. Unfortunately, I'm going to pick on them now because I can relate to this specific article. So, you'll see this article says, or this post says, that the DA is responsible for increasing the growth, the growth of table grapes to 77.8 million cartons for the 2025 season. Now, when I saw this, the first thing that came into my mind is that the DA does not grow one single grape. The DA is a political party. The second thing that really bothered me was that the DA is not responsible for production, neither are they responsible for marketing. So if you know anything about the fresh produce market in South Africa and the citrus and in this case the grape production in South Africa, you'll understand that these farmers have had very little support from government the last 30 years. So what ended up happening is a lot of them started co-ops or pack houses, okay? And these specific, let's call them co-ops or pack houses, where they package the produce, if it's citrus or in this case grapes. Those people used to go out, and they still go out, and they do international marketing themselves. Okay? Now Mr. Steenhuisen can say and claim that he grew it to 77.8 million cartons for this specific season. So, being a dumb farmer, I just went along and I Googled this. And I found the 23-24 statistics. Okay, and I'll put it up for you. So the season of 2023-2024, which is then the previous season, they reckon that they got 74.2 million cartons. So from 4.2 million cartons to 77.8 million cartons. Now, if you go and investigate the table grape producers and the markets, and you go and phone them or send them an email, okay, they'll tell you that these farms have consistently been growing between 2 and 5%, depending on the area, because table grapes come from the various parts of South Africa. They'll explain to you and share with you, and you can even Google it. Be stupid like me, go and Google it, and you'll see that they have an increase of 3 to 5% every year, year upon year. Every season they are growing. And I am flabbergasted because the arrogance of the DA to claim this for themselves. They do not produce one grape. Mr. Steenhuisen doesn't even know how to grow vineyards. So the arrogancy, he needs to spend his time, Mr. John Steenhuisen, rather spend your time, okay, protecting farmers. Rather spend your time by getting rid of BEE so these farmers can grow even more. Because I bet you, take BEE away, okay, and that 77.8 million cartons are going to become double that. Take away the fact that the roads are not good for transporting grapes. Take away the port systems in South Africa is ridiculously slow and ridiculously under-equipped. It's not being maintained. It's not looked after. And you claim that this is a win for the DA. It's got fuck all to do with the DA. It's the farmers. Guys, please like, share and subscribe. Leave your comment because this article pissed me off. Seriously. God bless.